What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Rusty and we are back truck driving kind of around America. And what do we have here? Yeah, this is a totally different scene for me, guys. I know this is gonna be a little confusing for some of you. And why am I in a Cascadia? And what is this company I am working for? And what happened to the Volvo? And all those questions, I know I'm gonna answer all of them. My life is changing a little bit. There's some things that happened. I'm not gonna get into all the details, but I quit working for the company and I started doing owner operator. So this is sort of owner operator. This is called owner lease. I am leasing this truck. It's not the prettiest thing, but it's about, you know, it's about making money this time. It's not about just hustling and working by the mile. It's about getting paid by the load. I will miss working for that company. I will miss the Volvo. Obviously this thing is a 2017-18 Cascadia. I say 17-18 because they actually made this thing in 2017. That's what it says on the sticker, but it is a 2018 model. This is the lowest of the lowest. Like, this is the lowest class. I don't got no side fairings, as you guys can see right there. I got steel wheels. I don't even got the LED strips right here like all the newer Cascadia has. This is just the lowest class. I don't even have LED headlights. It's just halogen bulbs, the cheapest of the cheap, right? This is a rental. Well, it's like a lease from Ryder. This is what I'm paying for it pretty much weekly, monthly. And I got a broker slash dispatcher, and pretty much he's looking for loads anywhere I want to go. I pick out my rates and then I go pick it up and deliver, and I get paid by the load. I will explain more and more while we're doing this trip right here. So pretty much I am outside of Atlanta, Georgia, like east of Atlanta, Georgia. I got a bunch of Red Bull, so I'm about to be delivering it right now, and then we're gonna be pretty much waiting for our next load. I think I want to go to Loretto or something like that, maybe northwest. I don't want to go northeast, just somewhere that's like a two-day trip back. So this whole week is I'll calculate my rates and see how much I made the whole week, but I will not be lying to you guys. I will be telling you what, per trip I make, sort of like 50-50. I'm not going to tell you exactly the rate, but I will tell you, estimated amount, just so you guys have a good idea. And got myself some free Red Bull. Heck yeah. There's like damaged pallet or something like that, but he says I can take as many as I want, but I'm not gonna be greedy. I'm not gonna drink more than 2, so that's pretty great. We're gonna pretty much do our PTI here at the offload because my sleeper's already over, and yeah, do our PTI. This Cascadia I think has a DD15. It could be a DD13 because it's super weak. I mean, this thing is just super slow. I am governed at 69 miles per hour 69. And yeah, also interior is the plain regular Cascadia. I got some nasty seat covers on here because the last person that was in there cooked a lot of curry, and the seats aren't the best. So yeah, there's a truck, just a plain old Cascadia. Really nothing new here. You guys already know what a Cascadia looks like. ELD, my GPS, my camera, and everything like that. Just a regular sleeper. So yeah, nothing to it. Automatic, you guys love that automatic. Alrighty, offload complete. We are empty and we are ready to get another load. Hopefully it pays good. Alright, so we're getting a load situated right now, and I just wanted to show you guys when I start this thing. Well, before I start it, look what it says. Oh wait, what? It's not saying it now. It says Detroit. Let me see. I don't know why it's not showing it now, but yeah, it shows Detroit 12. It says DT12, so not sure if that's like the engine. Is there I don't think there's a DT12. There's a DT12 transmission, so not sure why it says that. But yeah, this truck is pretty much old style, and this was one of the first ones produced at that looks just like this, and the front end looks like that. So I guess has whatever. But anyways, I think we got a confirmation load for Louisiana. Yeah, we couldn't get a load to Loretto or Northwest. It's a little too far for me because it's like 2.5 days there, 2.5 days back. I want to make it home. I live in Jacksonville, Florida. I want to make it home every weekend. So that's my goal, make it home by Friday, Saturday. So I'm going to try to do these short trips here and there on the East Coast and see what my total comes out. And also, I'm going to tell you guys the rate of this load when we pick up, and then at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you exactly how much this load paid out. Alrighty, we got confirmation, and it's about 25 miles from here. It's not too far, so that's good. And we are going to Louisiana, right beside New Orleans. All right, we're gonna pretty much grab something to eat because there is just a lot of time gonna be wasted if I don't stop right now. My pickup is at 2 o'clock, and then we're gonna be hauling out to Louisiana. So might as well, it's 10 o'clock right now. I got some time to kill. Let's get some Waffle House, get some coffee, and then we'll get going for that pickup. Alrighty, got checked in, and we are just at some plant that does dressings and oils. So yeah, this is gonna be interesting. I'm just gonna be hauling probably ranch or probably some salad dressing or something like that. But yeah, we got our food right here, and yeah, this is my bed. Don't look at it, okay? Don't look at it. And this is my table. Yeah, this is all I get, but at least it's something. I know the Volvo had a nice fold-up table, chairs, and it was like a nice like apartment pretty much. This one's not like it. It's okay, I don't mind. I'm here to make money, way more money than just chilling in a nice truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat my food from Waffle House, and then we're gonna go ahead and back up and probably get loaded and then head out. Hopefully we don't make it into traffic. The Atlanta traffic is pretty horrible. Hopefully we don't make it to that. And we are out of there. What sucks right now, it's 3 o'clock, and probably in about 30 minutes, 20, we're gonna be entering Atlanta and then going down towards Louisiana, Mississippi over there on that highway. So we're probably gonna hit traffic, but we'll see. It's only 600 miles, 630 miles or so, and we're gonna be at our location tonight. Delivery is at 8 a.m. tomorrow, so that's good enough. Oh yes, glorious Atlanta. You never seem to surprise me, but I'm never surprised anymore, so it doesn't even matter. And yeah, I don't know if I explained to you guys, but yeah, I got like lights on the dash. I got traction control light, I got ABS light, and I got something else. I don't know what it is. Ryder tried to fix it once. It was good for 1,000 miles, and then it wasn't. So whatever. It's gonna stay that way. I don't really care. It's just a rental. And also almost 500,000 miles on this truck. 487,000 miles. Yeah, it's not good, but whatever. I'm making money.
How did you find a way to run from the city of the sun? You could have stayed, it's only over when the day is done. I never knew you was a runner, yeah. I mistook you for a son. It don't matter what we think when it's all over, 'cause this is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah. This is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah.
Alrighty guys, I just woke up. I was literally sleeping outside their little facility right there, and we are in New Orleans. We are backed up into the dock and they are offloading us now. This load right here was about 23,000 pounds, so it's not too light, not too heavy. I like these kind of loads. It's not bad. It was just oil coming from Georgia, Atlanta, Georgia, all the way to New Orleans. Is it New Orleans or New Orleans? Everybody fight in the comments about that. I told you guys, I will not lie to you. This load paid out $1,800, $1,800, and that's not bad. That equals out to about $3 a mile, which is where I want to be, and anything lower I'm just not taking. You know, low rates, that's just not for me. I know a lot of you guys will still have a bunch of questions. Don't worry, I'm going to be making a lot more videos on this new truck, on this new company I'm working for. Well, they're just dispatching me. It's owner up. So yeah, appreciate it guys for watching. Stick tuned for more videos. I got a bunch of stuff coming up. I got pretty much mind-blowing things like the Volvo rebuild and a lot of other awesome things. I appreciate it so much. Deuces.